Yeah, I be trying to change every single day. The fact is you don't support my decisions in any way. I still try to be nice with you even after all this hate. But how much can I take? It feels like I'm being suffocated with pain, and I'm trying to breathe. It just feels like you don't want to see me succeed. I was that shoulder you could lean on whenever you need it. Now you broke me up in pieces. Yeah, I'm feeling defeated. I brought you in my life, I introduced you to my family, and a couple months later you want me gone like a cavity. I showed you my affection, I let you be yourself. I let you express emotion like damn, you treated me like an object. I was a decent man who wasn't all about this sex. In my mind I thought we were progressing and taking steps. Now I'm laying on my bed, tears falling from my eyes. All these tears that are shredding correspond to your lies. Yeah.
I gave you my heart.
My phone no more. Like my heart's at war. Loving anything you can go buy in the store. Got me sore. 50 cents. Fuck. Do you even got common sense? My offense lacking, my defense lacking. But me and Knox, we stacking our bands. Fuck the ops. We coming up next. Cashing these checks. Left heartbroken, unspoken. These thoughts will never be spilled like they were killed. I did all these things for you. You don't even love me anymore. Did you love me before? I'm starting to doubt. I'm starting to dread. Got all these thoughts in my head. I just wanna end up dead. Girl, you got me insane. Nobody's to blame. Life's not a breeze. I'm on my fucking knees trying to forget you.
I gave you my heart, but it wasn't enough.
Saw her faith in you, faith in me at last.
But now I'm keeping my hands to my body. Better get used to me dancing alone at the parties. When you said goodbye, but you just can't leave. When you hold so tight, that your hands they bleed. So take these lungs, cause you were my air. I keep breathing in and out, but you're not there. We never think that we'll run out of time. Always believe we can keep it alive. Didn't know then you were everything. I'm haunted by all of the words that I said. Waking up in a hospital bed. I didn't know then you were everything. When the time comes, you gotta let it go. When the time comes, you gotta let it go. Every star that lights up the sky will always burn the brightest. I stay